Hello students. Today we are going to study the definition of insurance. Insurance is a contract between insurer and insured in which insurer assures to compensate a loss on happening uncertain event in exchange of which insured promises to pay a certain sum of money only to insured for a particular time period. A document on which a contract is executed is called as a policy document, and certain sum is called a premium, and period is called a policy term. So students, in this definition we are going to study a contract. Insurance is nothing but it is a contract. It is a contract. Contract means when two persons are getting together in order to enter into contract. Means in order to form a contract there must be at least two persons. One person cannot have agreement with himself, but at least there should be two persons. So here in contract there must be two parties. Unless two parties are there, contract cannot be formed. Here in this insurance contract there are two parties. One is insured. Insured is nothing but a person who is going to be insured, who is taking insurance is called insured, and insurer is nothing but it is called a insurance company which sells insurance policy. When insured person or the person taking insurance and the insurance policy is getting together with an intention to sell the policy to the insured person, then these two parties are nothing but coming into contract. Means insurer and insured, they are coming into contract and contract is forming. For this, one party is gives something and the other party gets something. See here in this definition that insurer agrees to compensate a loss on happening uncertain event. Suppose any person takes the insurance of his godown and the fire is put on in the godown, means this putting of fire is nothing but it is called a uncertain event. It is called a uncertain event. Whenever the goods are destroying in the fire, means this uncertain event is happening and the insurer is agree to pay compensation in such a event, in exchange of which, if suppose uncertain future event is happened, in exchange of such a circumstances, that insured accepts to pay or promise to pay certain sum of money. This certain sum of money regularly at equal time intervals, whichever may be fixed in the policy document, that certain sum of money is to be given to the insured for a particular period of time. Means whatever the policy period time is fixed, till that time, till the maturity of that time, till the end of such a time, till the expiry of such a time, that it is necessary that insured should pay regularly such a money to the insurance company for that particular period of time. Then only this contract can be executed. And the document means important. This is the important document on which this contract is executed by the both the parties is called a policy document. It's called a policy document, and certain sum is nothing but it is called as a premium, that insured is required to pay premium at equal time intervals till the expiry of this policy. So this is called a policy terms. Means in the policy terms, that insurer declares that the insured has to make payment of such a policy till the expiry of such a period, then only this policy will remain in validity. So from this definition we got certain elements, ingredients of this contract, this agreement. The first of all, first ingredient is a contract. Contract means when two or more persons uh, getting into agreement with an intention to do something or not to do something. Such a kind of contract is called the agreement. For executing legal contract, at least there must be two parties. Here, as we know that here in the insurance contract, there are two parties. One is insurer and other is insured. Means one is insurance company selling the insurance policy and other is the purchasing insurance policy. And the parties to the contract, means this insured and insurer must be a competent party. A party is said to be competent when both the parties are of the age of majority, not restrained by any law prevailing in the country, and uh, they are not under the intoxication of any narcotic drugs, or they are not minor, then only it is said that these parties are competent parties to enter into contract. And the object of contract must be legal one. If the object of contract is not legal, then contract cannot be performed. It is a voidable at the option of the parties. And the second, next element of this contract is nothing but consideration. Consideration is nothing but one party gets something, other party gives something. For this contract is made. So the consideration must be legal one. Here, the consideration for the insurance company is the premium, and consideration for the insured is the compensation of the loss on the happening of such an uncertain event. So this is called insurance. This is the best definition of the insurance.